Hey guys, I'm Luke from Zondoro and I'm very proud to present to you our first sample pack, which is called Waesto Essentials Volume 1. It's out now on our website, you can find the link down in the description. And this pack is really great if you want to produce all kinds of electronic dance music genres, especially if you want to produce modern pop music with a more summerish vibe to it, especially if you want to go for something like tropical house in the direction of Kygo, but also if you want to go for more classic EDM, powerful drops, or even melodic, progressive Afro house. There's so much you can do with this pack, and in this video I'm gonna show you through some of the loops for each sound sections we have in this pack. And I would say don't talk too much and let's get right into my DAW where I show you some of the loops. Okay, as you can see, I already added all of the sounds from the sample pack into my FL Studio project here. And yeah, we got you covered with a lot of sounds in this one. In this video, I'm gonna show you some of the loops for each sound section. As you can see, I already sorted them by electric guitars, saxophones, chord starters, ambience, and so on. I'm just gonna play a few for you so you get a feel about this pack and if it fits your productions. We're gonna start off with the electric guitars. All of the melodic loops in this pack, like the electric guitars, saxophones, ukuleles, are played by professional players. They're organic and royalty-free to use in your songs. These are really great if you need inspiration for your next project, but also if you have started already a project and you're searching for some more organic elements to add to your song. All of these electric guitar starter loops are perfect for that. Then we also have electric guitar hooks, which are more like melodic elements on top. Beautiful. Next up we have saxophone loops, which are really hard to find good ones on the internet. Even if you have Splice or Loop Masters, it's really hard to find good saxophone loops which are not already used in thousands of songs released on Spotify. Again, these are great if you need melodic elements for your song. Let's say, for example, you have a great chord progression and really good drums going on in your song, but you're searching for this melodic thing that people can sing after, which stays in your head. So for this, the saxophone loops are really great. Next up, we have chord starters. For these, we also have the Midi files if you want to change anything, but you just could go with what we have in the pack. There's so much you can do with these chord starters, especially if you need inspiration. If you're sitting in front of an empty project, you can just open up these MIDI files or use the loops we already have, and I'm sure you can find something for your next idea. Next up, we have ambiences, which are really great to fill up your mixes. If you feel like your intros or breaks are feeling like a little bit empty, you can add those on low volume in the background. You just have to move it up to the same key of your song, and it will add so much to your mix. Next up, we have drum loops. These are also really hard to find good ones on the internet. Of course, there are a ton on Splice and Loop Masters, but these are really worked out and we already pre-mixed them for you. You can just throw them into your mix, make it the same BPM as your song, and it will sound great. Then we have some more loops, shaker loops and tambourine loops. Of course, we have a lot of one-shot drums in this pack. Kicks, snares, claps, snaps, hi-hats, everything you need to build your own drum loops. Let's go through some of them. Okay, next up we have bongo loops, which are also really great if you want to produce a more Kaigo style track or anything in the genre of tropical house. Drumfills, which are also really hard to find good ones again. Now we have build-ups, especially snare build-ups. These are really great to get some more energy going right before your drop. Next up we have tonal transitions. To make them work, you have to pitch them to the key of your song. Of course, we have a lot of FX, just go quickly through that. So basically everything you need to produce a full-length house track. Next up, we have vocal loops. Now we have some more melodic loops, ukuleles. They're also recorded by professional players. Let's take a listen. And last we have some arpeggiators, which can also work really good to fill up your mixes. So I hope you got a good insight and feeling about this pack and if it works for your productions. We really love this one. The track you can hear in the background is made entirely out of this pack. It's a really upbeat and tropical house track. And that's it for this video. I hope I'm gonna see you in the next one, in which we're gonna make a little preview song with only loops from this pack. The pack is out now on our website, sounddorashop.com. You can find the link down in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.